Hey everyone, I'm Mamumbe. Today I'm going to show you how to use the V-B5 tablet stand. Okay, first thing is first, make sure to read the user guide manual. Now, when you open the cover, the first thing you find are two magnetic rings and an alcohol wipe. Now, you see there are two cup holders here, and under these tracks are magnets. In the middle, we have a safety stop. You can open it, slide it back and forth when you're using it. Okay, so one thing to note is that after opening the cover, you need to make sure that this part is folded inside. This helps align with the magnets. Now, if it doesn't feel magnetic enough, it's okay. You can just slide the cover back and forth since the magnets might be a little bit off. Next, we're going to talk about the safety stop. It's a safety feature, and the manufacturer, they claim that it can hold up to 1 kg, which is cool, and it gives a little bit of extra security. Now, it also has another function, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. Now, what we want to do is put our magnetic ring on a tablet. First thing you want to do is grab the tablet, of course, and then use some alcohol wipes, and then just make sure you clean the surface. And then next thing what we're going to do is grab our magnetic ring, and then we're going to place it right in the middle. I think this is good. Yeah. Okay, then after that you just want to wait a few minutes for the glue to set in, and that's about it. Now also the other thing you can do is also grab tablet case, and then you can also put a magnetic ring here. That also works fine. Oh, so if you're an iPhone user, good news. The built-in MagSafe feature allows you to basically attach your phone directly to the cover, just like that. Ta-da! Let's check out how well it holds from a phone to a 13-inch tablet. What? You don't like sticking things on the back of your device? Okay, no worries. You can just take your device and then place it directly onto the stand, and then just use the safety stop as your support system. But you have to be very careful and make sure that you balance it well, otherwise your expensive tablet will take a tumble. Okay, so what we want to do is flip over the product, and then the first thing that you will notice is there's a huge knob right here in the middle, and then you just want to turn it, and then from there this allows you to disassemble the product. Super easy, doesn't take much time. And then from there you want to separate the main body from the top cover, and this, see, just like that, and then we're going to put it on the side. Now what you can see is you can then separate the main fabric from the body, and you can clean it so that you can always keep your product nice and clean. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy using our product, and see you next time.